Cristiano Ronaldo recently turned 41, yet advanced tests reveal his body acts like it belongs to a 28-year-old. Even in his 40s, he maintains an astounding 7% body fat and an unprecedented 50% muscle mass. So how does he defy the laws of human aging? Today, we are putting Ronaldo's legendary diet under the microscope. We aren't just looking at what he eats, we are analyzing his routine through the lens of anatomy and physiology to understand exactly what is happening inside of his cells. While typical athletes eat 3 large meals a day, Ronaldo eats up to 6 smaller meals, spaced precisely every 3 to 4 hours. From a biological standpoint, this is a calculated hack to prevent his body from breaking down muscle. By breaking his protein into 6 even doses, Ronaldo delivers a constant drip of amino acids directly to his muscles while considering digestive speed and satiety. This keeps a specific cellular pathway called mTORC1 switched on. Think of mTORC1 as a master switch that commands your cells to constantly repair the micro tears caused by intense training. For lunch and dinner, Ronaldo's personal chefs prioritize fish over red meat, heavily favoring swordfish, sea bass, and his favorite Portuguese cod dish, named bacalhau à brás. The scientific advantage here lies in marine omega-3 fatty acids. Elite soccer requires explosive sprinting and sudden stops, which puts massive physical stress on the walls of the muscle cells. Dietary omega-3s are directly built into these cell walls. Because of their flexible molecular shape, they increase the fluidity of the cell, acting like the microscopic shock absorbers that prevent the cells from rupturing under pressure. They also physically block the enzymes that cause inflammation, drastically speeding up his recovery times. Ronaldo's former chef confirmed that the athlete has a zero tolerance policy for refined sugar. This isn't just about keeping his abs visible, it's about protecting his joints. In the human body, excess sugar floating in the blood actually attaches to proteins like collagen, creating toxic compounds called advanced glycation end products. These toxic compounds act like glue in your joints, making your tendons and ligaments stiff, brittle, and highly prone to snapping. By eliminating sugar entirely, Ronaldo keeps his connective tissues youthful and elastic. When he does need carbs for energy, he bans white rice in favor of black or red rice. Black rice is loaded with dark pigments called anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that clean up the cellular damage generated during a grueling 90-minute match. One of the most extreme rules in Ronaldo's diet is his complete ban on cow's milk. His chefs note that humans are the only species that drink milk past infancy, viewing it as biologically unnatural. Physiologically, commercial dairy contains lactose and specific proteins that can trigger hidden low-grade inflammation in the gut. During an exhausting workout, blood naturally rushes away from your stomach to your working muscles, making your digestive tract highly sensitive. By relying solely on purified water and plant-based milks, Ronaldo completely removes this irritation. This ensures his immune system doesn't waste precious energy fighting his own food. And finally, you can't talk about Ronaldo's diet without looking at how his body actually absorbs those nutrients. Ronaldo famously uses a split sleep schedule, taking up to 5 90-minute naps a day rather than one long block of sleep at night. This is genius because it takes the human brain exactly 90 minutes to cycle down into deep sleep, and it is exclusively during this deep sleep phase that your brain releases massive pulses of natural growth hormone. By triggering this deep sleep cycle multiple times a day, Ronaldo tricks his nervous system into delivering multiple powerful hits of growth hormone, rapidly fusing the protein he eats into fresh muscle tissue. Now, in conclusion, the combination of a constant protein drip, cell-protecting fish fats, zero sugar, and hacked sleep cycles has resulted in a 41-year-old athlete with an incredibly efficient resting heart rate of just 44 beats per minute. Cristiano Ronaldo isn't just eating healthy, he is executing a rigorous scientific plan to artificially stop his cells from aging. Now that's all for today, guys. If you find this breakdown of elite anatomy and physiology fascinating, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which athlete's biology we should decode next. Thank you all for watching.